Meet our aspiring little author, Ms. Shanaya Sethi from Travashi International Academy. She believes that each one of us is born with a unique trait, and she's shared this in this wonderful book of hers called The Butterfly with No Color. I'm very keen to know more about her book, so let's go meet her. Hi, Shanaya. It's great to talk to you today. What grade are you in?
I'm in sixth grade.
So tell me, what inspired you to become an author or write a book?
Well, from a young age, I was always engrossed in the company of books, and I just love reading books more than anything.
And what is your favorite book?
Well, I've read many books, but one of my favorite is Matilda by Roald.
How does the curriculum at Travashi International Academy help you in inculcating the skills to write?
Well, I have been in the school for I think almost the past 9 years, and through all the years, I've realized that our school encourages public speaking and encourages us in verbal communication by simple means like having assemblies or even higher, going to even higher levels like inter-school competition.
And were there any specific classes or school activities that helped you develop your creativity or writing skills?
Well, like I said, overall our school focuses on the point of speaking because that's a very important and vital um, life essence that you're supposed to have, and you should be aware about it. So every now and then in our school, they conduct activities or they conduct games in which we do get to learn and we do get to know more about speaking.
So, what do you think? The books are better or the movie is better?
Well, both have their positives and negatives, their ups and downs. But I feel reading a book, you get to use your own imagination. You get to uplift your creativity because in the movie, all you have to do is watch and everything just comes, the pictures, the illustration. But in a book, you have to imagine it. Even if the illustrations are giving, everyone's perspective is different. So you imagine it in every different person's point of view. So I think books are much better.
Yes, I agree with that. Okay, so now coming to your book. Tell me about your book, The Butterfly with No Color. What is it about?
So basically, this story catapults you into the land of a valley filled with rabbits and rabbits of butterflies. They all have vibrant colors, except for one butterfly, Isabel, the butterfly with no color. She had some interesting interactions with Jack the monkey, and some not so interesting one, like the one with the troll. Anyways, when she finally meets the wizard, things don't go as expected. But I'm not here to spill the beans for you. Though all I wanted to, I wrote this book because I want to send out one teeny tiny message to all of you that please pause. Close your eyes for a moment and realize and understand the trait that sets you apart. We all have been blessed by the Almighty. So please be kind to yourselves and always remember that you are a one of a kind in this whole wide world. Don't let yourself down by silly comparisons with your friends or siblings.
How was your experience at the Meet the Author session?
Well, that was totally unexpected, and that was something I had never done. Like talking in front of an unknown audience, that was like I had butterflies in my stomach. But when I started speaking, I was in that flow, and I just enjoy speaking to audience. And the highlight of that event was that there were young kids who I was talking to, and there were their parents. And talking to all of them made me feel like I'm a chill author, you know.
You yourself are so young and you're saying that the young kids were there. So I'm really amazed at the way you speak, the way you have your thought process. Everything is just wonderful.
Thank you.
So lovely. It was lovely talking to you. Thank you.
You're welcome.